So it's Tuesday morning. You wake up at 11:30 a.m., sure to be late for your noon lecture with a splitting headache and no recollection of the night before. Bunker Monday seemed like such a good idea. Why does this always happen? Yes, this time you really can blame it on the alcohol. Let's rewind 12 hours. Your persuasive friend asks you to come out for just one drink, and the ball gets rolling. Blood alcohol content. This is represented as a percentage of ethanol in the blood. For example, 0.1% would mean that there's 0.1 grams of alcohol for each deciliter of blood in the body. Your friend tells you it's 2 for 1 on cocktails tonight, but you tell him to stuff Turtle Bay because you're manly men who conveniently weigh 73 kilograms and only drink beer. You also realise that pubs shut in an hour, so you'll have to drink fast. Somewhere during your first pint, your attention span, coordination and balance are hindered, but you don't care because perceived beneficial effects such as relaxation also kick in. You may even become sleepy, but you decide to stay out for a couple more. Around your third quick succession pint, this relaxation gives way to increasing intoxication and, in some people, an increased risk of aggression. By this point, speech, memory, attention, coordination and balance are all affected further, with significant impairments in driving skill. Between here and pint 6, all previously mentioned skills are extremely impacted. You may even vomit, and there's such a severe lack of judgment and decision-making skill that you agree Bunker is the place to be, and you set off on your way. This is probably a good decision, as from pint 6 onwards you could have been subject to blackouts, loss of consciousness, alcohol poisoning, and the suppression of vital life functions. You arrive in Bunker, inebriated but alive, and according to the photos have a wild and enjoyable night. This explains how you got there, but why does alcohol affect us in this way? Surely the ethanol gets broken down in the body, and if you're drinking at a steady rate, why do you keep getting worse? To find this out, we really need to explore the chemistry behind how it's metabolized in our bodies. Alcohol is not something our body sees as a natural substance, so it's treated as a poison. As with nearly all of the chemical processes in our bodies, this reaction is controlled and catalyzed by enzymes. The enzyme that breaks down the alcohol is called ADH, or alcohol dehydrogenase. This breaks down the alcohol into acetaldehyde by removing a hydrogen atom. Then, aldehyde dehydrogenase, or ALDH, breaks this product down to acetate or acetic acid, which eventually leaves the body as CO2 or water. Alcohol builds up in the body because the enzymes in the liver quickly become saturated after only 0.04 pints, and after this, the rate order of the breakdown of ethanol is 0 with respect to ethanol. This means that drinking more alcohol doesn't increase the rate of reaction. This is very useful to university students, as if the order of reaction were 1, you would have to drink in an exponential way to get drunk linearly, i.e. after the first drink you would need to drink 2 more just to double your drunkenness and so on, which makes for a very expensive night out. Just be glad you're so susceptible. So there you have it, your body's reaction to ethanol from pint 1 to Bunker Mondays.